I'm going to repin this my way. So you can live there. You can live there. Oh, no, I have to go by the key, don't I?
Yep.
Oh, jeebs. So you're the biggest one. So you live this end. Because this end's the biggest end. So I'm guessing you must live by up there. Because the key was that way.
So Mrs. Deadlocks is arranging the driver pins to make sure that the key works.
Yeah. And then you... Are you three the same size? Let's just measure you. I think you are the... Yep, yous are the same size. Or all four of these must be the same size. Yep, they're all the same size. Just you. You're different. But you're not bigger.
So what about the key pins?
What about the key... What are the key pins?
The key pins are this 5 up here.
Well, that's the big one. So that one goes in that hole there. Yeah. And then these ones, he can live there. Because I declared it. You can live... You were definitely from the middle. Because I know you were definitely in the middle. So you live there. And then these two, they can live... One can live there. And that one, he's going to live there. Is he bigger than that one? Yes, that's right. That's right. That's the way I declare it.
So let's test this theory out then.
Wait a minute. I need to put these three back in their little place. So now, you have to make it back up again. No, let me do it.
I'm just going quickly to see if you...
I'm going to do it. So you put the holes. This one was definitely the middle one. So you can definitely go back in the middle. I know 100% you were in the middle.
I would move the core over here so you're further away from the edge of the table if you drop things.
You were in the middle. Do those pointy bits go down? Or the pointy bits must go down. So you must live, pointy bit goes down. You turn it. You live, okay.
I thought that was pin 1.
So is that pin 1 up here? Well, I don't know which way it goes. Get in there. And then you must live in here. Fits beautifully. Then you will live in here. And you must live in here. And then what I need to do is stick the key in. Oh, he doesn't fit. He's too big. Oh, I know what I did. You two are the muddled around way. Oh, how am I going to get... Oh, wait a minute. There. You don't live in there because you're too small. So, you were too big. So you live in there. Yes. You live in there. And then you live in here.
Sorry about the squeaks,
Mr. Deadlocks. Yeah, Mr. Deadlocks, are you playing with a squeaker?
Yeah, Mr. Deadlocks has found his squeaker. I've had a long day.
You go in. No, get in the... Get in the hole. You live in that hole. Like so. See? Perfect. They fit like a glove. Oh, I've never looked inside a key thing before.
It's a lock.
I've never looked inside the lock before. Shut up. It amused me, the move.
Yeah, that's how the lock works.
Okay, so that's all correct now. Except for that one keeps popping. Is this one a pain in the bum because that one jumps in? Is that the one you're always getting your false set on? Because
no,
it's so deep.
They'll get pushed down by... Pardon me. They'll get pushed down by the springs.
Oh, right, okay. And then the next bit I need to do. So he's all done. You can stay in here. In here. In here. There we go. You live in there. He lives in there. That's grand news. This one's too small.
You can also stick them in there if you don't have...
So I don't need him because he's the smaller one.
Yeah.
And then in this, now what we need to do is we need to stick this one in because we need to put Now what goes first, the springs or the pins? I think you'd put the spring in first, because the pin would pin out, and the spring, because you got to push the pin. I'm going to put the springs in first. Okay, so where's the holes? I need to do this way. You stand in there? Well, let's stand in here. Will it stand in there?
No, it
No.
won't.
Well, this is awkward.
If anyone wants a little repin and ISEO F5 tip, this standard pin is always in number 3.
Don't you tell me what to do. Why can't I put it where I want to go? Surely it doesn't make any difference.
Realistically, it doesn't
make a difference. So you can just go away. I'm doing it my way.
Personally, if I was repinning this, I would put that standard pin in either slot 1 or 4.
Well, this isn't you repinning this. This is me repinning this because this is my turn.
Okay.
I'm doing it my good damn jobby way. So this little springy thing.
Definitely going to be a jobby.
You're a jobby. So this spring goes in. Alright, if I put it the furthest one back first. I can't even see what I'm doing. It goes right the way back. Right, that's in the hole. Right, okay. And then I get this. Am I doing this? Oh, it doesn't matter, does it? So if I get this, right, and I'll sling it in the hole. Oh no, I dropped it. You having fun there? You meant to be
I know I meant to be, but I'm trying to keep the doggy looks distracted at the minute.
Oh. Do the pins go in first?
No.
So how did the Nelly...
I'm actually going to tell you that because I've accidentally dropped a pin in a chamber that had no spring in it before, and it was so hard to get that pin back out
Maybe
again.
I should put all the springs in them first. Because the spring... Oh no, I dropped a spring. Oh no.
On yourself or on the floor?
On the floor. It's should be down here.
I got it.
Oh good. Whew.
So yeah, when you're trying to put it back together, try and keep away from the edge of the table.
I don't have much of a choice because the edge of the table is quite far away and I'm not very close to the table. I don't need this thing in for now because the springs aren't springing out because the springs haven't got any... Oh, I didn't even put that one in the blooming one that I was meant to put it in. You go down that hole. There we go. So you're in that hole now. And you dropped it. Oh my goodness.
You do know I didn't think you would try and put this lot back together again, right?
Well,
we might actually have to make this 2 videos and have one you taking the look apart and then one you putting it together because we're already at like 21 minutes.
well then you can separate the two out, can't you?
I can. We'll have to make an intro for the second one though.
Why? Okay, so now you can sit there. I'm going to twist you round so I can... Ah! Ah! So I can look at the holes. So I can stick you there. This is very dark. Oh my god. It's very dark in there. I can't see what I'm doing. Can you have my torch? It's just underneath my desk. It's just there at the edge. Ta-da! Right, okay. Now, oh, got to blind myself. Now I can see slightly what I'm doing. So I'm just putting these little pin things. These aren't the pins, these are the spools. This one's a spool. Is this one a spool?
Yes, that's a spool.
That's a spool. Oh god. Did I do it? Nope. I didn't know. Oh my goodness. This is a jobby and a half. I need more hands. I need something to balance in. You're being funny.
Yeah.
Well, it's not working. You're not funny.
I think I am.
I think you're not.
I think I am.
Oh, you're bored of me, are you? So you're showing everyone the dog instead?
Yeah.
I did it. I think. Oh, you turnip.
What?
It's not the first hole. It's just, I did it from the wrong hole.
What do you mean?
It's got, I've only done it 4 behind and not 5. So now I'm going to have to take it out because as soon as...
Why are you going to have to take it out?
Because I can go from the backwards, can't I?
Is it the hole? Is it in the chamber that's all the way at this end?
No.
It's one back from this end.
So, no. So you've got 1, 2, 3, then number 4,
Right.
and then number 5.
Right.
It's in number 4, but I needed it in number 5.
Oh, right.
So
Is the spring in, all the springs are in already?
Yeah.
They're not sticking out at all, are
No.
they? Okay. Yeah, you should be able to get number 5 from the other end, but don't try and force the follower through, otherwise you might be mangling springs.
I'm not mangling nothing. Oh,
I'm going to take Puppy out again because he's crying again.
because he's
He
a
might not
tinker.
just be playing in the snow this time.
Maybe not, because it's time for after dinner toileting.
Yep.
The joys of a puppy.
Yeah.
Well, I'm putting this in number... Oh, you're in the hole. Okay, yes. That's 2 pins down. You're now going to go in number 4. Because I can. Oh, nope. This is complicated, people. Got you. You're in. There we go. And this one. Oh, goodness me. Goodness me. Oh my God. Aha! Right, now I just have one left to do. And it's right in the furthest hole. Is that it there? Yes. Okay. 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 Ah! Okay. Let's just squish. Nope. Dropped it. Just have one. Nope. Dropped it. Just have one. Oh my goodness, you're just being finicky, you are.
How many have you got in?
4.
4.
4.
Nice.
Larry does not want to balance. Come
Why
on, little
Larry?
That's what he's called. Little Larry.
So it is.
Did you not know that?
Nope.
Right. Oh, no. In. Ah, you little turnip. You're going to be called Susan. Susan the Spoon. Because you're being awkward, Susan. Right. Ah! Susan! Will you go away? No! I'm busy. Get down. I'm busy. Get down. I'm busy. Right. Can't see what I'm doing.
Oh, he sounds vicious, doesn't he?
It does always sound like you're killing things.
He is just playing with some toys, don't worry.
Ah! Susan! You're causing me issues.
It's going to take a lot of editing.
You just butting it.
We're up to 34 minutes.
You asked me to do this. You challenged me. I'm trying my darndest.
To be honest, I'm surprised you decided to repin it.
I thought that's what the challenge was.
That puppy who's... Oh, that's my mouth. Get out my mouth. No.
Puppy!
I want to lose my false... There we go.